YouTube, what's going on, y'all? I know y'all been wondering, hey, where creative been at, man? Hey, you guys, I've been pivoting a bit, but business is going as usual. And today, I got a special pickup and delivery. So, you guys hang tight. It's finna be another banger. All right, guys, I'm tired now. As y'all seen, I had one skid of water, and man, them boxes was heavy. But to say the least, we got that done, and we headed on back. Thank you all for tuning in. Again, if you guys need any help, go to my website. The link is down below, Creative Faith Plus, and I'll catch you guys for the next video. Peace.